Good morning. Cup of tea at the go already. I've only been on site 10 minutes and they've already made us one, which is always good. So, I don't know if I showed you yesterday. We got like onion samosas yesterday. Well, nice. And they were like 4 samosas each and then like a bread bun. So, Tom dared me to make samosa, onion garlic, mayo, whatever it was. Chapati? Yeah, chapati. We're chapati. Right. But like make it into a Big Mac basically, but I didn't. I only doubled it up. I thought I'm not making 4. It'd be about this big. Try to eat it and it was freaking well spicy. So we do it like this. We know these guys anyway. But yeah, we'll get fed all the time. But this is yesterday's project. If you want to have a look at yesterday, we flew this up. More or less a guide on how to do it. But we were lucky because this is on a wall. Conny block wall. I think here there's a big bulging wall. So as we were putting as bearers on the wall, we'd missed that section. So it's sort of like on the bulge comes into the pail if you want. So let's try and show you how straight top is. It's horrible, isn't it? No, we've done as best. But from the face, it looks, because sometimes you do it and it looks like this. So it looks up and down from the face, but it does look well. We have fallen lucky with it. But today, I am sorting out this pillar. There's a pillar down there, and then these returns coming back, which is supporting, which is supporting neighbours' land. So I'm gonna get on with them. But Tuesday, we normally rush off to get to Steaton to go to football. No, not today. We've got parents' evening, and then we thought, we've got a chilled out evening. Nah, we've got to go see Greg Davies. Now, we all thought, people that's coming with us, we all thought that was on Thursday. Turns out it's today. So, yeah, we're in a bit of a rush. We just crack on hard as you can today, and then go home and get stressed out trying to get down to Sheffield. But after parents' evening. But Tom has just dug these holes. We've got a fence going across the top of this wall. Mr. Oliver's in today. Got a fence going across the top of these walls. And he's been digging, and it's the easiest dig. Like, this is freshly turfed. I'm not sure if the wall's freshly built, but it seems like it's quite decent soil where he's digging, so I'm not jinxing it, but it's quite an easy dig. You say that on your first hole, and then the rest of them are rock hard normally. But guys, I'm in a talkative mood. I'm going to stop talking and get some work on. Get some work done now. I've had my brew and work on this corner.
You got a hammer them in now,
Yeah. So what we do is you just twist them in like, and then it gets hammered in here. So as long as it's just on end, just grip the tip. You've got impacted. Grab the impact in there. Yep. Yo.
I don't screw my right hand, screw my left hand.
Yeah?
You screw you.
Right, yeah. Can't even fuck all my left. When I did my arm, when I did my fingers, I learned how to do more stuff with my left foot. Fuck me, all shit. Yeah.
Your mum don't count as one.
She fucking howls like when I kid. Yeah. Really? I want to. Yeah. Imagine. Go on, mate, fill it. Yeah. Who, me?
Oh, Greg.
Yeah, fucking stuff. 3 baht ticket. Normally in case I might like these, we're not supposed to do it, but it's for your birthday. So the story behind this pillar is, see here, for some reason there's a random block attached, but if we knock that, I've got a feeling it's a bit weak. And this pillar here is like built like a triangle. It's built bloody horrible. So we have put 3 rails on the side. I've got another lat, like these are 50 mils. I've got a 100 mil lat, so that'll go up there and hide that. And then this is more or less, just going to put some black ceramic on it now, but this, from there to this piece of wood here, is, we're building his own pillar. Just because when it comes down here, it'll come down pillar, and then it'll have a sticky out bit, and then a sticky out bit. And when there's loads of little ones of these, it just looks crap. Looks good to start, but 6 months later, it looks crap out little, and so try and make it as big as we can, you know what I mean? But yeah, I need to get this done. I feel like it's going to rain. I do. We've just put them posts in, as you've seen down there. Say Tom's got the easiest dig. That corner where he's at now is solid, proper solid. Must have been ramming all the crap in that corner. But yeah, guys, I need to get on with this because it's going to rain. done the 2 pillars. Let me show you this. On this side, rather than having loads of little bits, we've just put a 4-inch one, and it's still got that little gap there, so it fits in with everything. Same over there on that side, as you can see. But yeah, this promotes this wall so much better. From down there, it looks mint, man. So what we've got is, obviously, they were like 860, and I've told you already, we've built his own pillar because that pillar was just a sack of crap. But now we need to frame this out. But from there, it's like wall goes up to it and then goes down. So that's got to be my level. Then it's got to be my level across and work from there. Pack it up, do whatever we've got to do. Let me show you something. We've got a track there, look. And we had, but we've walked over it too much. We had another track that went, you can just see it there. It goes around into their garden. And then pick me through here. We've got a track there as well. Just through there, we've got another track that goes over into their garden. So what we've done on this pillar is, pillar ends like there, but we've pushed these lats on all the way through, simply because there's a fox or a group of foxes or whatever they are, probably a family of foxes if I'm honest, and they're going through all the gardens. But these have got little kids and they just don't want them in garden. Not against them, but yeah, try and do your best. But all they're going to do is they're just going to make their way through that hedge and just go around our fencing and come in. That's all they're going to do. So just reality of it. But it is nature, isn't it? So living in the city, that's what it is, living in the city. Yeah, Tom has put them posts in. He's got 2 more to do at that side. He's digging them, which is a bloody good dig, and then he shouts us over. I go help him put them in and come back to my stuff. But this is going to be looking like a full day tomorrow, which I really didn't want. I wanted this as half a day tomorrow, so I can go start this next fence that we've got. It's a bloody massive fence. Quite an interesting story about him, which I wish I'd have done. So when was Frankie born? 2010. So like 2005 I went to Mexico for ages. So from 2005 to 2012 when twins were born, I used to go out. I used to go out. And I got told I had to calm down. You've got kids, calm down. So the next customer, so I did. The next customer has been told this. I wish I'd have thought of this idea. Now, he's working away in London. So what is it you do? Thinking it's banking or whatever. He's a club director for Ministry of Sound. That is a good job. That is a right job. That is a job where she's gone, you need to calm down. You need to stop going out. You need to do this. And he's gone, I'll have to go work for him. Then he's out at all events all the time, innit? So it's quite a good job. Guys, I'm going to start this. See you soon. Here he is, Mr. Instagram. Apparently I'm the biggest hater of all this Instagram stuff, but clearly I'm not, because we're getting work from it and we're busy. So, back fence done, 2 pillars done, overrun that side, made a pillar because the other pillar were crap. Oliver has just put these bearers on, ready for tomorrow. While they were doing that, I was just setting a few posts in over here, but I need to go now. It's like 2:50. I need to go. Time to go. But I always push my luck with time and traffic and stuff. I'm always last at last, late at late. So what we decided to do, we're like, quickly get all rails out, and we've put rails on here. Literally 10 minutes, bang rails on so fast. It's just easy, especially when you're using chainsaws and stuff. But yeah, all we've got tomorrow is pale that up. We need to box this in as well, to be fair. Box that in up there and box that little one in up there. That'll only take a few, so that's not too bad. But I think once we get going in a rhythm, I think that's when we'll be winning. If Tom gets these pails on first, I'll start up there, and then he can start. I can come down here, sort of thing, once these are paled, because he's going to be stood on this ledge to reach up and pale with Oliver. But yeah, it's a bit. I want it to be done tomorrow dinner, but it is what it is. Can't help it. But guys, let's see what tomorrow brings. See you at 8 o'clock sharp.